Step 1. If your seat has an armrest, turn the armrest to face upward to allow easy fitting of the cover. Ensure the Primus seat covers tag is on the side of the window for correct alignment. Step 2. Place the cover over the top of the seat backrest, starting at the bottom edge of the cover. Step 3. Pull the cover downwards, making sure it fits snugly over the backrest and the armrest if applicable. Step 4. At the side hole, thread the seat's armrest through if your seat has one. Step 5. Lift the base section of the cover to locate the tuck-in foam pouch and push them into the gap between the seat base and backrest. Step 6. Pull the bottom cover over the seat base. Step 7. Locate the straps at the side of the base. Step 8. Pull these straps around to the back of the seat and attach them together. Step 9. Tuck the side material into any plastic housing if possible, or over it to get a good fit. Repeat these steps for the single passenger seat.